If you're a curious mind, then you need to know why we sneeze. Sneezing is our body's natural defense mechanism. Imagine your nose as a bouncer at a club, kicking out unwanted guests like dust, pollen, and germs. When these irritants get inside, your nose sends an SOS to your brain. The brain fires back with a sneeze attack command. Boom! Your body launches a coordinated effort, your chest muscles, diaphragm, and even your eyelids team up for one epic sneeze. Fun fact, sneezes travel at up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. So next time you sneeze, remember your body's just doing its job, keeping you safe and sound. Now grab a tissue and give a high five to your immune system. That's the scoop on sneezing. Stay curious, stay sneezy, sneeze free. Catch you next time.